Good morning, dear students. Hello, everyone. Today we are going to learn our first chapter, that is alphabetical order of your English grammar book. Our first chapter, our first topic of grammar is alphabetical order. We will let you know what alphabetical order is. Okay, so let us see what is that. The alphabetical order is the sequence of the alphabets given in English language. In English language, we all know that we have 26 alphabets from A to Z. So the sequence in which the A, B, C, D is arranged is known as the alphabetical order. The alphabetical order is also known as the ABC order. ठीक, अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर को हम ABC ऑर्डर के नाम से भी जानते हैं. Students, you might have seen that your class teacher records your names, attendance in attendance register, and she maintains all the students' name in alphabetical order. And if you want to search a meaning of any given word from a dictionary, there also you can find the word meanings given in an alphabetical order. Alright, so basically alphabetical order is used for maintaining larger records, where a vast number of words are given, like the encyclopedia or the dictionary or the phone directory. So we use the alphabetical order for arranging huge number of names. Now we will complete the concept of alphabetical order with the help of few sets of examples. Let's see the first set of example. Here you can see 4 words, 4 nouns are given: clouds, tree, flower and bird. Alright. Now students, what you have to do is you have to look at the first letter of each word. For your reference, the A to Z means the ABCD sequence is given above the slide, and in the given nouns you have to look at the first letter that is highlighted, like B, C, F and T, and by observing that you have to find out that which letter comes the first. Like if there is any word starting with A, no, there is no word. Starting with B, yes, there is the word B. So bird, B for bird, so that's why B, bird is the first word in the sequence. Then thereafter comes C. So if there is any other word starting with C, yes, C से भी शुरू हो रहा है, clouds, so our second word will be C in the sequence. Then after D, E, is there any word starting with D and E? No, there is no word. And then F, yes, there is a word starting with F letter. So the word will be third in the sequence starting with F, and after that the rest, which word is left, that word will be the last word. Now let us see another set of example, like pizza, chocolate, burger, donut. Here also you have to look at the first letter of each word, like P, C, B and D. And in the next slide I will show you the correct sequence of these words, all the 4 nouns along with the ABCD order. See children, the reference is again given to you, the ABCD order above the slide, and the words are already arranged, but how it is arranged I will explain. Again, you have to look after the first letter of each word. If there is any word starting with A, if not, then let us go to the next letter, that is B. Yes, there is a word starting with B, that is burger, which comes first. Okay, so the sequence contains first word, that is burger. After that, the second letter is C in the order, alphabetical order. So there is the word C, that is chocolate. So that will be the second word in the sequence. Then again the next letter is D. There is again another word starting with D. So D, the word starting with D will be the third word in the sequence. And check for the rest. If there is any other word with starting with E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. No, there are no words starting with these letters. Yes, the last word which we have put in the last is the word starting with P, because अब नेक्स्ट हमारा पी से ही वर्ड स्टार्ट हो रहा है, एंड दैट इज द ओनली वर्ड लेफ्ट इन द सीक्वेंस, सो दैट विल बी द last word. Okay, so if all the letters and all the words are arranged and if the last word is left, then you can keep it at last. All right, now students, here is another set of words, that is bus, bed and boat. Here you have three nouns, and you can notice that all the three words are starting with the same letter. Till now, we have been observing the first letter of each word, but here the case is different. Here, all the words, if we talk about the first letter, then all the words are starting with the same letter. So, we have to ignore that and we have to look at the second letter of each word, that is U, E and O. Repeat the previous rule as we were doing earlier. आपको अब फर्स्ट लेटर नहीं, यदि फर्स्ट लेटर सेम है तीनों वर्ड में, तो आपको फर्स्ट लेटर को इग्नोर करके सेकेंड लेटर की ओर ध्यान देना है और वही पहले वाला रूल सेकेंड लेटर के साथ रिपीट करना है. मीन्स यू हैव टू लुक दैट वेदर विच लेटर इज कमिंग फर्स्ट. Like for example, you can see again the order is given above the slide and the second letter is highlighted in each word, E, O and U. So let us, which letter is coming first? Starting with the letter A. Is there any word containing A as a second letter? No. क्या किसी वर्ड के बीच में यानी कि सेकेंड लेटर में A है? No. B है? No. C भी नहीं है, D भी नहीं है, but this E in the second letter of the word bed. तो हमको मिला है E सबसे पहला लेटर्स इस सीक्वेंस में और E जिस वर्ड में है दैट इज़ बेड. तो इसीलिए हमारे सीक्वेंस में द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज़ बेड. देन आफ्टर दैट F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N नहीं है किसी भी वर्ड के सेकेंड लेटर में, बट देर इज़ O एज अ सेकेंड लेटर ऑफ द वर्ड boat. So that's why we have put boat in second sequence. Okay, second word हमने boat लिखा है. And after that again P, Q, R, S, T नहीं है किसी भी word के second letter में, and we have U in the word bus. That's why हमने उसको थर्ड में पुट किया है. एंड दैट इज़ अगेन मैंने आपको बोला है दैट इज़ द लास्ट वर्ड विच इज़ लेफ्ट विथ अस, सो वी कैन पुट इट एट लास्ट without thinking any other thing. Okay, so this way you have seen कि अगर फर्स्ट लेटर सेम है हर वर्ड का तो हमें सेकेंड लेटर की तरफ ध्यान रखना है और वही चीज़ को रिपीट करना है कि कौन सा लेटर पहले आता है और कौन सा लेटर बाद में. उसके सेकेंड लेटर को देखते हुए हमें ये ध्यान रखना है कि उसमें कौन सा लेटर पहले और कौन सा लेटर बाद में आ रहा है. We have another similar set of words, that is penguin, parrot and pigeon. Here also you can see कि तीनों words सेम ही लेटर से स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं, P the word. So again we have to ignore P and rather we have to look at the second letter, that is E, A and I. And out of E, A and I we have to find out that which letter comes the first. So with the help of the ABCD order, let us find out that. Now again the ABCD order is given to you and you have to look that which second letter is coming the first. मतलब इन वर्ड्स में जो कि सेकेंड लेटर आप लोग हाईलाइटेड देख सकते हो उसमें से कौन सा लेटर सबसे पहले आता है इस सीक्वेंस में. ए सबसे पहले आता है इसीलिए हमने पैरट को सबसे पहले लिखा है. सेकेंड लेटर में ए है एंड ए हमारे सीक्वेंस में सबसे फर्स्ट आता है. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट आता है बी, सी, डी के बाद ई. सो इसीलिए पेंगुइन वर्ड में ई सेकेंड लेटर है इसीलिए हमने पी को सेकेंड लिखा है. एंड आफ्टर दैट एफ, जी, एच के बाद आई आता है थर्डली इस सीक्वेंस में, तो इसीलिए पीजन में आई है हमारा सेकेंड लेटर, सो हमने इसीलिए थर्ड वर्ड में आई लिखा है. pigeon लिखा है. And again I would say that pigeon is the last word left to us, so you can write it at last. So this was the alphabetical order which we have learned in our today's class. And one more thing which I would like to say you at the end of the video is that if you find that the first two letters are the same, for example PA and PA, ठीक है, इफ़ अगर आपको एक ऐसा सेट ऑफ वर्ड मिले जिसमें पहले के दो लेटर सेम है, देन यू हैव टू इग्नोर बोथ द लेटर्स, फर्स्ट एज वेल एज सेकेंड, एंड यू हैव टू लुक एट द थर्ड लेटर रादर. ओके, जब जैसा कि आपने जब फर्स्ट लेटर को सेम देखा तो आपने उसे इग्नोर किया, आपने सेकेंड लेटर को देखना शुरू किया, तो वैसे ही अगर शुरू के दो लेटर्स आपके सेम है तो आप दोनों को इग्नोर करेंगे और थर्ड लेटर को देखना शुरू करेंगे, और उसके बाद ये फाइंड आउट करना शुरू करेंगे सेम उसी तरीके से सीक्वेंस को देखकर या याद रखकर कि आपके थर्ड लेटर में से कौन सा सबसे पहले आ रहा है, फिर कौन सा आ रहा है. ऑल राइट, सो थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स, दिस वॉज माई टूडेज क्लास एंड द चैप्टर हैज़ फिनिश्ड नाउ and I have sent you the worksheet. You must have done it in your book. Thanks for watching. Take care.